do something about that addiction to whatever it is that they have an addiction to. So you can't change them. You know, I know many of us feel like in a relationship where we care about them and we love them, they'll change. I can change them. They haven't been introduced to my kind of love and all kinds of things, that we have these ideas and notions in our head that my love will be stronger than their addiction. And they need to get real help, like going to a clinic and getting doctors, psychologists, detoxing, you know, all of those things. That it's not for us. We have to leave those things to the professionals. And if there's anybody who needs some help with an addiction, please reach out to your local therapist, psychologist, all of those, so that you can get the help that you need. You know, everybody deserves to have a great life. And I know that there's real things out there that people get into addiction, even an addiction to pain reliever, because sometimes it starts off something simple. They get into an accident, they have some pain in their body, and then they have to take pain pills to cope, and then next thing they're addicted to these pills. So if you or somebody you know has a sort of addiction, please get the help you need. Number 19, a red flag is bad communication. It could be a person who likes to interrupt. That's a trigger for me. Like every time you talk, they always have to interrupt you every other word you say, or they have to try to fix, or they try to control the situation. Also, bad communication can come in as a lack of communication. When they get upset about something, they stop talking, they shut down, they ignore you, or they want to control what you say. Okay? Hey Angela, how are you? Welcome. They want to control what you say, they want to control what you talk about, all of those things. So bad communication is a red flag. You don't deserve anybody to ghost you. You don't need anybody to control what you talk about, how you talk, interrupt you, acting jealous, want to control who you talk to, and all of those things. Poor communication is not good. Every healthy relationship involves communication, whether it's friendship, whether it's romantic, whether it's on a job, whether it's anything. All relationships need good communication. And if you have somebody who withdraws communication from you as a way of controlling you or making you feel bad or whatever, red flag, stay away. Okay? And this brings me into the next point. Point number 20. A red flag is a person who's manipulative. Okay? Manipulative. If you know somebody and they always want to manipulate you in every situation, telling you how to think, how to feel, where to go, or if you say something and they don't like that, they want you to think how they think, or an argument starts, or they're angry and is shouting. Next thing, they're putting their hands on you. So a person who likes to manipulate other people can never stay in our life for a long period of time. We have to get away from them. A manipulator, it will never work, okay? Number 21, a red flag that we see in other people. Friendship or a relationship is one-sided. So if you know somebody and everything is always you putting in all the work, you're the one doing the calls, you're the one being romantic, you're the one doing everything, you're the one that always has to reach out and talk to them, you're the one that always has to everything, one-sided, that's toxic. That's a red flag. Pay attention. And it doesn't matter if it's your blood relative, it doesn't matter who it is. Nobody deserves to always be the one to always have to reach out, always have to be the one to be supportive, but never being supported. So pay attention and know that you deserve better than that. Point 22. A red flag that we see in other people is you walk on eggshells around them. So those are the people that you don't feel comfortable. You always feel like you're about to step on a bomb every time they're around. You can't say anything to